Let's take a look at the GrandPad Companion app. Once you've downloaded the app and logged in, you'll be able to engage with your senior and family instantaneously. When you open the app, the home screen shows your name, the family photo feed, and simple buttons to get familiar with. These buttons vary depending on what type of smart device you have. For Apple, you'll find buttons labeled Home, Share, and Contacts at the bottom of your screen. And for Android, your buttons are labeled Home, Contacts, Notifications, and New Post near the bottom. Your home screen includes photos and videos that have been shared by everyone in your family network, including the GrandPad user. You can scroll through new pictures, read captions, and even comment on photos, just like your senior does. So just find a photo, click Comment, and type away. And click Post when finished. Next, find Share or New Post. Pressing this button allows you to add fun to your family thread. You can take a photo or video to capture a current moment, or you can upload a saved file right from your gallery. Either way, add a caption and share away. Your senior will love seeing who's on vacation and where, Aunt Helen's newest dessert, and even just simple things like the morning sunrise. It's the easiest way to engage and bring joy to your loved one. The Contacts button is your personal phone book for your GrandPad private family network. You can call, video chat, email, or text anyone on the list. Face-to-face time with your loved ones is extremely important for social and emotional well-being, so we highly encourage you to video chat as often as you can. Back on the home screen, there are a few other tools to check out. First, in the black bar graph, you'll see your GrandPad users' 3 most used apps along with the past 2 months of usage data. Second, if you're the family admin, you'll see the tiny blue settings gear. Here, you'll find your admin tools to help you personalize the device just like you would in GrandPad Central. Next, you'll see the 2 blue dice where multiplayer games await. You can start a new game with your senior or pick up where you left off in a game already going. Then, let's take a look at the bell. You'll find it at either the top or the bottom of your screen. Here, you'll see notifications for new posts, new comments, and even birthdays of companions in your network. Finally, click on your picture in the upper right. And if you don't see a photo, get one added as soon as possible. Click left of the settings gear to edit your profile, and find Change Photo at the top. It's that easy. And while you're here, make sure the rest of your information is up to date as well. Speaking of that settings gear, give it a click to set up activities you want to be notified about on your device. The companion app is free, and there's no limit to the number of family and friends that can join. So get everyone on board and see love grow with a little healthy engagement from the entire family.